Hey, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is 212 DSCMC questions 34. So this is a quadratic function questions and the main point for this question is like when you see the vertex, okay, then you can just immediately write down the format of the vertex of the quadratic function, which is y equals to a times x minus h. This is h and k, okay, square plus k, okay. So when you write down this, the next problem is in these questions the main point is to find out the roots, which means that when I put this called the fx actually, okay, why is the fx? So when I put this one is 0, or when I just sum up some number for this and then equal to 0, can I find the x? Okay, so this is the main point. What is the nature of the x? Okay, find the x. All the roots are called the x. Okay, so let's take a look. For example, for the first one, the a, that one, the answer, when I put this one is 0. Okay, so take a look on this part. Okay, can you really solve the x for this part? Just take a look. So I will just keep the x on one side. I will throw all the other to the other side. That means I throw the 4 to the other side. That means 4, because I want to find the x. Okay, so the main point now comes up. When I throw the a to the right hand side, then there's a 4 over a. Okay, so a is something that we don't know yet, right? So if I put the square to the other side, becomes square root plus minus. So if you don't know actually what is the value of a, if the a is negative, then you will be trouble, because actually square root negative value cannot be found. Okay, so which means that this, okay, cannot be always true. Okay, when a is negative, then you cannot find out your x. Okay, you cannot find out your x because your square root value inside is negative. Okay, so now I use the first one to show you what is the main point of this question. Then if like this, that means, okay, our a must be vanish. Okay, if you want to find out your x answer. Okay, so let's check it out. How can you make your a vanish for the rest of the three answer? So you can take a look, the third one. Can you see there's a 4 here, which is the same, the opposite sign of this number. So actually this one is giving you hints that maybe this one is the answer. Okay, so let's check it out. So fx plus 4, that means a times x minus 3 square minus 4 plus 4 equals to 0. So when you do like this, can you see that actually these two will cancel out? Yes. And what you have, a times x minus 3 square equals 0. When you throw the a to the other side, actually you will find out 0 over a is 0. Okay, so it is done because actually you can find out your x now, which is a 3. Of course, this is a real number. So that's how we can deal with these kind of questions, that you have noticed that what is the main point of the question is asking and what you have to do. Okay, so I hope you can understand this. Okay, so if you have any problem, just WhatsApp me anytime. Okay, so I will see you next time. Okay, please subscribe and like my channel. Okay, so thank you, see you next time, bye.